In this video, you'll learn how to open a Binance account from start to finish. By following these steps, you will successfully create your account and be ready to trade on the platform. Begin by visiting the official Binance website on your computer or downloading the Binance mobile app from your device's app store. Once you're on the home page, locate and click the register button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. This action will direct you to the registration page where you can start creating your new account. On the registration page, you will need to enter your email address or phone number depending on your preferred method of contact. After entering your information, create a strong password that includes a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols to enhance your account security. It is important to choose a password that is both secure and memorable. Stay on this registration screen until you are prompted for verification. Next, check your email or phone for a verification code sent by Binance. Enter this code into the designated field on the registration page. Ensure that you input the code accurately and within the specified time limit, as failure to do so may require you to request a new code. Completing this step confirms that you have access to the contact information you provided. Once the code is verified successfully, you can proceed to the next step. After verification, log into your newly created Binance account, navigate to the identification settings within your account dashboard. Here, you will be required to upload necessary documents for identity verification, which typically include a government-issued ID and a selfie for additional security. After submitting your documents, wait for a notification regarding the approval of your identity verification. This process can take some time, depending on the volume of requests Binance is processing. Once your identity is approved, you will receive a confirmation message, and your account will be fully activated. At this point, you can start depositing funds into your account and explore trading options. Before you begin trading, ensure that you understand the platform and review any fees associated with transactions to manage your investments effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.